third-party billionaires think attack ads can cover the truth. Joe Garcia is working to fix Obamacare. He voted to let you keep your existing health plan and took the White House to task for the disastrous healthcare website. And Joe Garcia fought to hold
Welcome to Opinion Journal and happy Valentine's Day. I'm Mary Kissel. That wasn't a Republican attack ad against Joe Garcia and Obamacare. That was a Democratic ad distancing Joe Garcia from Obamacare. Why are Democrats starting to run away from the president's signature health care legislation? I've got assistant editorial page editor James Freeman here. James, a pretty stunning change of heart here. Guys like Garcia were all in for Obamacare, but now not so much.
Well, the tone has changed, and you see a lot of them acting very angry about this law they supported, not going so far as to actually want to get rid of it, but they're all angry, and I thought that was pretty entertaining in the ad where it said he's taken the White House to task, a picture of him on the phone. Wow, this law is destroying American health care, and he made a phone call to announce his displeasure.
Well, it's not just Joe Garcia. This Democratic group is also running ads trying to help Arizona's Ann Kirkpatrick, Iowa's Bruce Barley. I assume these are the people who are really in red or purple states, James.
Yeah, you see a trend a lot of places. You mentioned House races. A lot of senators, Democratic senators who supported Obamacare up for re-election this fall. Kay Hagan in North Carolina, our colleague Kim Strassel has a great column about her on the website today. And it's a consistent theme, showing how much they care, how angry they are that this law they supported is not working out as they promised. And it's going to be an interesting political experiment to see if this run from accountability without acknowledging and supporting repeal of this disaster will work.
Well, just to be fair to Democrats here, there are two senators who are trying to, quote unquote, fix the law, Begich and Warner. We had a story in this morning's paper. They want to allow so-called copper plans in the exchanges to give people the chance to buy cheaper health care. I mean, how about that approach?
Well, the idea is that you'd have a lower premium, you'd have higher out-of-pocket costs. So this is going away from Obamacare toward more consumer choice. But what it still maintains is a lot of the Obamacare regulation, a lot of the stuff that has to be covered, that's not up to the patient, that's not up to the doctor or the insurer, it's up to the government. So I would say that would be better than status quo. But what they're testing the waters on is, can they get away from Obamacare with a modest change that doesn't really change much of the actuarial assumptions.
Strategically, strategically, isn't this the best route for Democrats to put Republicans on the back foot and to say, look, we're giving you guys solutions. Why aren't you supporting us?
No, because I mean, if they are just, let's say they're just concerned about political survival, I would say the best move is to repudiate it. It's not working, and I made a mistake, and now I'm actually not just pretending, but actually leading the parade for reform. Politicians, they're sort of pressure-sensitive instruments, and they're very deft at this kind of move. I would think that's a doable strategy. I don't think, boy, I'm angry, but I'm not doing anything about it, is going to fly.
Well, as we get closer to the midterms, we'll see how they behave.
Find out. Yes.
Assistant editorial page editor James Freeman. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Mary.